subscribe and hit that notification button. Something weird happened last night again, but this time I was not the only one who heard it. So we're falling asleep, right? And we're comfortable, we're relaxed, you know, the stuff, the works, whatever. And all of a sudden, we hear a bell. Like a legit ring of a bell. Like, you know, those cat bells or something like that. You legit hear. We both heard a bell. We both got up. He looked over. He's just like, what? And I asked him to go look. Because, you know, I'm a paranoid person, like you guys know. And I'm like, please go look. I know you're comfy and I know you are just about to fall asleep. But I can't fall asleep after hearing a bell. I'm sorry, there's something in my eye and it really, really hurts. And like, he went to go look. Nothing was there. Nothing. And this is at like 10 or 11 o'clock at night, guys. Like, what? How is that possible? Like, nothing there. And we both clearly heard a bell. I don't know. I just think that's weird. Like, what? Nobody's awake at this time of night, guys. Because everybody here in my apartment is old. Well, some of them, not all of them, but most of them are old. They will not be up at 10 or 11 o'clock at night. Like, what? This makes no logical sense to me. Like, how can we hear a bell and nobody be in our apartment? Like, at all? Nothing. Zip. Zotch. What? That makes no logical sense. None. At all. And I had to, like, tell you guys about my incident about last night, because that was just weird. This is the first time we've heard the bell. I've heard little creaks and eeks, you know, in my apartment, like floorboards being cracked or whatever, but I don't know. It could be because, like, our apartment's on a slant, so, like, that's explainable. But the bell was not. The bell was not explainable. I cannot explain that. At all. I do not understand. I got nothing. And if you guys are wondering, no, I have not put the fuggler away, but I have looked at this fuggler, and it has not moved once, and I keep it in the same spot every time. Same spot. Does not move. I got no explanation for the noise. At all. I got nothing. I don't think my apartment's haunted. It's never. I don't believe that. I don't, because like I would have had incidents when I first moved in, you know. So maybe it's a thing that I brought into my home. It could be that, because of how I read to you guys before. If you have seen the fuggler of me opening the box and reading the description of it. It could be that. Or it could just be a weird coincidence and we heard a bell. Just a random bell. Could be that too. But I have no explanation for the bell that we heard last night. So yeah. I don't like being in this house without any lights, because it kind of creeps me out. So, yeah. But that's all I got for you guys today is the update of hearing random weird noises in my apartment late at night. And this is after we both, like, saved at a save point in Kingdom Hearts 3. like, turned off our PlayStations. Car alarm going off. Really annoying. I got distracted by that. So, yeah, ignore that. That's just a car alarm. That happens sometimes. Random car alarms just go off sometimes in the middle of the night. But this time, no car alarms. Just a bell. And that's really annoying. But I'll see you guys later. I just wanted to give you guys an update about the weird little incident last night. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe my channel, and have a good day, guys. Bye.